HiRevz Media is sponsored by Born to Ride Motorcycle Magazine. Check out borntoride.com. Right, guys, it's pretty cool this October morning, but we're taking the Mintalillest to its first car show for no reason. Was going to be taking the Viper, but got both my boys with me now. They're in here somewhere. Can't fit them both in the Viper. So we're going to take this instead. Going to a local car show here for a church just to help them out. So figured we'd have some fun in this thing. So I've been seeing this slammed red RV right around here, and just happened to be the same store. This thing's pretty sweet. Don't know who owns it, but it looks good. Looks good rolling down the road. Sweet.